Well, my name is Bronson.
I'm Sua.
From the Melbourne Storm, and we're going to be trying some Fijian snacks today.
Evenly spread your cream. Try it out.
That's delicious.
Now remember, I want the rating 1 to 10. Give me your honest rating from 1 to 10.
Give that a 10.
Yeah, 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Awesome. What you're holding is local chocolate. There are 3 flavors that you have. One is kava, one is toasted coconut, and the other is chili. So give it a try. Give me a rating.
That's really good. I'm usually a fan of chocolate.
When they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's rich, but it's not
Did you say
overpowering.
this is chili?
Yes, one of them is chili, one of you has toasted coconut, and the other one is kava.
Pretty on.
Yeah?
Really good. Really tastes good. You taste that chili.
Yeah, but
Yeah? You can feel it?
yeah.
If you're a fan of chili like that,
That's not the 10.
that's the coconut.
That's a 10. So that's the coconut you're having?
Really rich. I'll give the kava one a 7.
7 on the kava,
I like chili. I'll give that an 8.
8 on the chili.
Yeah, I'll give 8.5.
Right?
That was the best one. I'll give that a 9.
100%. That's the coconut.
That was the
Yeah.
toasted
It seems
coconut.
like you're enjoying the coconut. What's good?
10, man.
10. Nice.
Good.
You have some bread in front of you.
I'm going straight in with a teaspoon.
Just dig in with
So I've got the coconut peanut butter, smooth. Coconut peanut butter. That's really good.
Yeah?
I'm a big fan of peanut butter usually. I'll get that a 9.
See if it's crunchy. You were trying out the crunch. Why don't you dig into the crunch?
Now this with the butter?
Uh-huh.
Oh, 10. 10.
Salted butter, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't like the color part. It's not 9.
9.5 on that one.
This is definitely it.
Definitely.
Crunchy.
So you got a 10, a 10, and a 9.
I like the smooth better.
Mhm.
That's personal. That's close. So what do we got today? I think it's a vegetarian one, yeah?
That's a vegetarian tomato.
That's good with that sauce.
Yeah. Take another dip.
Hey, sorry.
Seems like you're enjoying it.
I like that. I think I prefer the meat
Yeah.
filled one, but I'll give that a 7.
Give it a 7.
Good with that sauce too. What's the sauce was?
The peppery chutney.
Tamarind chutney.
Yeah, that's.
I'm going to take that home with me.
I'll give it a 10.
Give it a 10. I'll give it a 10. Give it a 10.
Finish it, man.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah.
Where are the UFOs here?
Some spicy here. Wheels. And those are dollar chips in the middle.
Oh yeah.
There's my favorites.
They're like burger rings back at home.
Yeah.
Nice.
Probably a bit softer, a bit nicer, I reckon. The bongos, they're like cheesels. Cheese flavoured. Delicious.
Now, once you're done with those 3, open up the dollar chip in the middle.
These taro.
Taro chip.
Taro chips.
Taro.
Classic onion flavour.
The taro chip. What's your rating on the bongo?
I'll give it a 10. This is my favorite snack.
10. UFOs?
They're both 10. This is my favorite snack when I get to the island. And taro chips, 10.
Like them, but I like them.
Bongo.
Bongo, I'll give these 8. UFOs, I'll probably give it 9.
Alright.
And then those taro chips, I'll give them 7.
And Mr. Wheels.
The bongo, the wheels, and the tires.
Okay.
Okay.
Top
Alright. Awesome.